Hey, and welcome to Smart Office, weekly tips and tricks to work around Microsoft Office applications. Today, I will show you something that has to do with Microsoft Excel.
Which are the error messages in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet? Many times when we are working in a Microsoft Excel workbook spreadsheet, we encounter some error messages while creating or working with formulas. Some of them just seem Chinese to us. In this video, I will describe the most common error messages that we encounter and how to solve them. Just watch the video below.
The first error message is value. When does this happen and why does it happen? If I double click in the cell E1 which contains the error message, I will see that I'm trying to sum the areas, the cells A1, B1, C1, D1, which all contain text. Not possible to do. So, what do? We select the appropriate cells in order for us to have a result for our formula. Here, in the cell F2, I am dividing the cell A2 and the cell E1, which contains an absolute reference. The same stands for the rest of the cells that I have results. What happens though if by accident I delete the cell, the whole column E1? I will have the result ref, which means that I've accidentally or mistaken deleted something where the result was depending on. Name. Here, equals sim A2 to D2. I was trying to sum the area A2 to D2, the cells, but accidentally I wrote the formula wrong. So all we need to do is to correct it. And then we will have a result. The bars. What does this mean? Here everything appears to be okay. A2, B2, C2, D2. But why don't we get a result? Because the result doesn't fit in the width of the column. All we need to do is adjust the width so we can see the results of what we were doing. Here, the same as before. I'm trying to divide A2 with the absolute reference of the cell E1. The same stands for the rest of the cells. A3 with E1, and we can see all the results. What if in E1 we put the 0 in? We will get the error message dividing by 0. Excel cannot divide 0. So this is where we'll get a mistake. And usually in Excel, when there's a blank cell and we have a formula in it, and we try to, the blank cell is calculated as a 0. Here, null equals sum A2 to D2. We don't get a result though. Why? Because we have forgotten the two dots here, the column to put, the column which concludes the whole area, and we can see by the square around the cells that got activated, or semicolon, which is two individual cells, but this tells Excel that we're adding or doing whatever with two cells that are not next to each other, and the colon, that means that the cells are consecutive, and that's how we get a result, 891. And we can copy the formula to the rest of the cells, and we get a result. No answer. Here I have the VLOOKUP formula, and I don't get a result. What does it mean? It doesn't. This no answer means it doesn't know the solution of it. So all we need to do is to rearrange the way that we have our columns in order for the VLOOKUP to work. Here in the first case, the ID has moved to third, produce has moved to the first, and unit sold has moved to the second. And this way, the same data, we get a result with the VLOOKUP function. And num. Why does this message appear? Because I'm trying to find the square root of a negative number. Excel cannot find the square root of a negative number, and this way we have the error message num.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know.